unearth the secrets of the deep blue. Whales, the titans of the ocean, bear a myriad of surprises. Listen closely. Did you know the blue whale, larger than any dinosaur, boasts a heart as hefty as a small car? Fascinating, isn't it? Delve deeper. Whales communicate through complex songs that can travel thousands of miles underwater. And these songs, they change annually, a marine hit parade, if you will. Let's not forget these giants are air-breathing mammals, just like us. They can hold their breath for up to 90 minutes. And when they exhale, the spray from a blue whale can reach 30 feet high. Unseen, unheard, unknown, until now. Discover the wonders of our world, one whale fact at a time. The ocean's secrets, revealed in 60 seconds.